many of you have had the balls to walk up to a girl and start talking to them, but screw it up once you're there talking to her because you don't know how to act. You don't even know how to deal with them. So today, boys, I'm going to show you exactly how women want you to talk to them. Let's hop into this. 1, with respect. And this is both for you and her. See, when I'm talking about respect, I'm not just talking about how you treat her and being polite. That's a given. I'm talking more so about what you expect out of her. The reason so many of you lose with women is that you don't respect her enough to understand that that girl doesn't owe you anything. She doesn't even know who you are. She doesn't owe you a single thing, but too many of you put so much expectation out of this one girl. You think she owes you the world. You think she owes you a date, and you harassing her to try to get what you want won't get you any closer. 2, you gotta be direct. See, being direct and assertive, that's sexy. Bro, it's easy, it's simple. Look, you just go up to any girl and be like, yo, you're pretty, you're beautiful. I really find this interesting about you. I would love to take you out sometime. What's your Instagram? What's your Snapchat? What's your phone number? That's easy. What did that take me? 5-10 seconds at most? Most will be so convinced by your confidence that your success rate will go out the roof. You probably will get more Instagrams and phone numbers than just asking, can I please have your phone number? No, you gotta be direct. You gotta be assertive because this will do one of 2 things. 1, it'll tell her off the rip, you're not here to be her best friend. You're not here to be buddy and for her to throw you in the friend zone with the other 10 losers that are giving her validation. You're making a clear distinction between yourself and every other dude. 2, she is more likely to give you her contact information. And if for whatever reason she says no, this is a W for you because now you know you're not gonna be with the other idiots simping over this girl. You know this girl's not interested in you. And it could be a myriad of reasons. Maybe she's not interested in a relationship. Maybe she's not interested in how you look, which is fine. There will be somebody out there that will be interesting, and using a direct approach will always be your best bet. 3, always look her in the eyes. Not at the breast, not at the butt, not anywhere else in her body, but the eyes. When you're having communication with her, this is where you want to be connected. 1, you're going to make her nervous as hell, right? The butterflies are going to be fluttering, especially if you're being direct, you're telling her how you feel. Bro, she's not going to be used to this. Matter of fact, you want to add some more mystery to that? Yo, throw on a pair of glasses. Throw on a pair of Jade Black glasses. Yo, our glasses are designed to make men look more attractive. You throw on any of our pairs, you're good to go. Right? Not only do you look more attractive, you're adding that little blocker that adds mystery. You're keeping that direct contact. Yo, this girl won't know how to act. She won't know what even hit her because she ain't used to that type of level of game. Yo, matter of fact, not just any Jade Black frame. Not just any Jade Black frame. Put on our Generals. Our Generals in all black is hands down one of our best-selling frames. These are the aviator style ones, the ones you kind of see like on Top Gun. This is a classic, right? We're talking 1960s plus. This is a frame that's never gonna go out of style, and that's what I love about Jade Black. You buy a pair of our classic frames like the Generals, yo, they cost around $50 using Italian acetate polarized lenses, and now you got a timeless design with quality materials that's gonna last you, what, 2-3 years? That is a gift. That's highway robbery, honestly. You're getting a hell of a steal, and now you got a pair of frames that looks good on almost any face shape. Matter of fact, I suggest you grab the all black one. See, the cool thing with the all black ones is on top of adding some of that mystery to yourself, you look cooler. The black metal is versatile. You can wear it with white metals or gold metals or silver or rose gold. You can use it with anything, and you don't have to be worrying about matching metals. I'm gonna do you one more solid. If you buy the Generals today, I'm going to have them linked down below. We're doing a 24-hour BOGO just today, just for the viewers. Nobody else. This is not on Instagram. Just for you guys, for the dudes that want game. I'm going to have the Generals linked down below. And if you buy the Generals, you're going to get a pair of our Laurents completely free. That's only for 24 hours. That's insane. You're basically getting a free product, if you think about it. Right? Because you're getting a free pair of glasses that cost the same amount. They're basically canceling out, and now you're getting a free product. You're getting a free product if you got, bro, this is retarded. This is only for 24 hours. If you guys want to check it out and take advantage of that, it'll be linked down below. 4, never compliment her on her body. Not initially. See, you need to understand that some of these compliments, like the ones that are more sexual, they don't start to flourish it until you have a sexual connection. When you have a sexual connection with the girl, yeah, compliment her on her body, how sexy she is, how beautiful she is. She's going to love hearing that. But when you just met her, you're a complete stranger, and you're trying to connect with her, the last thing you want to do is compliment her on how good her figure is. Instead, I want you to compliment her on her eyes, on her smile, on her style, on her shoes, on how smart she is. The more genuine you can make the compliment, and you'll know when you meet her, right? You'll know a specific thing about her that stands out to you. The more genuine and specific you can make, the more powerful it is. 5, I need you to break the touch barrier. See, if you're being direct, you're already safe. You're letting her know you're not here to be friends. But another thing that's going to further solidify this for her is breaking the touch barrier. See, her friend's a simp. Her friend won't touch her. Her friend's probably never touched any part of her because he's scared that she will reject him. He's scared that she's going to flinch back. You're not her guy best friend. Instead, you're the dude that wants her. So what you're going to do is when you are in this interaction, right? She's reciprocating. She's smiling. She's giggling. You guys are bantering back and forth. I want you to touch her. And it could be light on the arm, on the hand, on the thigh. Doesn't matter where you touch her, but you need to break that touch barrier because I promise you it's going to add to that chemistry. She won't even know how to act at this point. The amount of emotions that rush through a body when you touch them, it's uncontrollable. Ultimately rolls us to number 6. I don't want you to ask yes or no questions. In other words, when you first go on a date with her or you're actually sitting down and talking to her, make it a rule for yourself to not ask yes or no questions. Do you come here often? Yeah. Do you go to college? Yeah. See, you don't want those questions because they're quick. They get over fast. I need you to ask deep questions about her likes, her dislikes, her goals, what's her favorite things to do. Like, especially things that get the conversation going that you can easily branch off to and get deeper and deeper with her to solidify that connection. That's it for your boy. See you next time.